Here we go. Technics SA-GX710 or SA-GX790. Ooh. Same thing. Oh, for everybody's been crying. Oh, how do I cool it down? Show us how you do it. We want to know how you do it. Oh. Okay, stop crying. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. Show us. We don't know how to do it. Oh my God. Okay, you done complaining? Yes? Okay. I'll show you now. Okay? But don't tell anybody. There you go. Okay. First things first. Big capacitors. Big capacitors. So, these capacitors. Ooh. Oh, screw you. Okay. Okay, now the big capacitors can go away. Thank you very much. Ooh, we don't need them anymore. Cookie Monster's gonna eat them anyway. Oh. Now, what we need is power supply. Ooh. Power supply. Auxiliary. So this power supply, this one. You see it? Oh yeah. The output is 5 volts. 2.5 amperes. 2.5 amperes. Yes, welcome to my Quickie Mart. How can I help you? Yes. And then what? Here's the input. Fan number 1. Fan number 2. Fan number 3. Fan number 4. How does he do it? I don't understand. Well, if you don't understand by now, I cannot explain to you any more further. Okay? If you did not get what's going on by now, I cannot explain what's going on. Either you're he did not show us how to do it. Are we going to understand how it's being made? It's not my job to show you. It's a privilege. Guys are dumb. It's not my problem. Not smart enough. Smarten up. When your friggin' stereos are going to stop dying on you guys. Have a good evening. Goodbye.